Okay, another video, Donna Jet 625. Donna, so situation is this. I want to take a picture of the table. The table from that point there to this point here is 2480, which is almost 2.5 meters, which is brilliant, which is lovely, which is amazing. But now what's going to happen is I'm going to take the picture. Yeah, so obviously the thickness, yeah, I go slightly few point millimeters above the proper thickness. She's now going to take a picture, which is great. Yeah, so she's thinking. And now the interesting bit is, so the edge of the table, if we take the measurements, which by the way you can do by doing this, yeah, so edge of my table is there, according to the camera. And it finished there. So, and it's 2 meters, 10 centimeters. Who have stolen my 38 centimeters? I would like to know. So that's an interesting fact for the Donna Italian engineers to potentially maybe sort out. Maybe that little flap that's currently is opening to the left, maybe the flap should be pointing, the hinge should be at the top, so when it opens up, maybe, you know, but that's, I'm too stupid to get a solution. That's why I'm asking what should be done. Thank you.